difference.
Hey, what's up everyone, my name is Maxim Sorana, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve the side-swept hairstyle without a blow dryer and without any hair product, only just hair oil. If that sounds interesting, let's jump right into this video. I'll start off with shampooed and conditioned hair. Always start off with clean hair because it's a blank canvas and gives good results in the ending. So I'll be applying 4 drops of hair oil. I'll emulsify it on my palms and apply it throughout my hair length. I'll saturate the entire head of my hair with hair oil. Remember, do not forget your sides, and especially do not forget the back of your hair. See, if you forget the back of your hair ends up looking shabby in the end result. So emulsify it throughout your hair and do not leave any strand of hair behind. Also, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also follow me on Instagram, which is @Maximus_Arana. I post videos and photos every single day. Also now, you can just massage your hair as I'm doing here. I like doing that, and make sure to cover up your ends with hair oil too, because as your hair starts to grow out, the ends start to get frizzier. So I'll now comb my hair and keep it in place. So I'll comb my hair, I'll like slick it behind, the sides, the front, the fringe, everything, and I'll wait until it dries out. Usually my hair dries out after like 15 minutes, and then just run my hands through and I get my desired hairstyle. The reason I preach so much about only hair oil hairstyles without any blow dries, without any products, because it is simple, efficient, and delivers better results, smoother hair, a better hairstyle. The only downside is you don't get hold, your hair can flop down, but my hair gets hold because I told you guys the hair volume technique and how you can get hold in another video. So I already told you, but the end result is really awesome and you can check it out now. Like, look, my hair's dried out, like it's dried, the oil is still there, but look at the hairstyle. Like, my hair is so smooth and I can achieve my side swept hairstyle. Hair is flowy, and no one wants plastic hairstyles. Your hair is stuck into one place and it's like no one can run their hands through your hair. Your hair is like a brick. Your hair should be smooth, lovely, luscious, and yeah, that's what I like. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn the notifications bell on. And follow me on Instagram, which is @Maximus_Arana. And the topic of discussion for today's video is, what's your favorite hairstyle? Let me know down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.